Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick haul from Home Depot. It is related to the last video. I just didn't combine them into the same video. Picked up a couple Black Friday deals. Today is December 15th, I believe. Yep, December 15th, 2020. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I went to two different Home Depots. The previous video with the pack out and the impact driver, I did that separately. These are just a couple small items. So I picked up these gloves. These are firm grip gloves from Home Depot. These gloves are normally $30, and I got them for $13.04 plus tax, so it's $14.06. And these are the firm grip A6, which is A6 cut resistant, and D30 impact protection and heavy duty duck canvas gloves. And it's got a tag on here. It says D30 with a BTP IA Duo D30 reflective emblem. It's got information on the back. This product is protected by D30. Nothing protects better than D30. Material offers the thinnest and most advanced protection against impact. It's found in helmets, gloves, body armor, and other protective gear used around the world by soldiers, professional athletes, industrial workers, and motorcyclists. So if they true D30, you can too. These gloves are large. They are touchscreen capable. Firm grip, tough working gloves, duck canvas, max impact, ANSI A6 cut resistant. A $30 pair of gloves for the price of $14 is actually a pretty killer deal. Their ANSI cut level protection indicator. They have an AO, an A1, an A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, and an A9. Cut force measurement in grams. The A6 will do 3,000 grams of cut force. A7 is 4,000, A8 is 5,000, and A9 is 6,000 grams. A0 is 200, A1 is 200, A2 is 500, A3 is 1,000, A4 is 1,500, and A5 is 2,200 in grams. So these are really nice gloves for the price. If these gloves are still available, I might go pick up another pair just to have a spare pair. And then I also grabbed two of the firm grip job site tumblers with the free set of gloves in them. This one is medium. This one is for my wife. I kind of wanted the tumbler. The gloves actually fit her, so we picked it up. And then the firm grip, this one is a glove size large. They physically come with the gloves in them. So these are the ones that I grabbed for me. Pop them open. I do like the firm grip gloves. I have several pairs of them. I have different versions and different pairs. These look similar to these. They're just aren't. These are the Trademaster gloves. And these are the impact or demolition style gloves. That's the difference. But these actually fit quite well. For Milwaukee gloves, I'm actually... Whoop, I knocked you guys over. For Milwaukee gloves, I'm like a medium. For these firm grip gloves, I'm more of a large. And these are also duck canvas as well. And these also have the availability for swiping on your phone. And these have a grip zone. But I do like them. They're very comfortable. And, you know, it's hard to find a pair of gloves that my wife fits. So, you know, and the tumblers are nice. And these are 30-ounce tumblers, tough working gloves, job site tumbler, bonus work gloves inside. These are Trademaster premium work gloves, BPA free, stainless steel, and double walled. Impact protection, heavy duty duck canvas, quick dry. So this one, we actually opened them already. We opened them in the store, so she can try them on. But it's just a couple firm grip items I picked up. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. I'll give you guys an update on these and how well they're doing and how long they've lasted, if I'm still using them, or you know, if I had to replace them or not. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And the top of the description down below, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys use that link, it gets you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off on my next order from Ulsa Tools. If they have something you need, you know, use the link, save some money. Appreciate you guys this time. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. And to all the subscribers, appreciate you guys. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!